In this guide, we are going over all of your perks here in Bizarre Lineage and going over each and every of the best perk that you could possibly get. There's a lot to go over. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. I want to start with what perks are, and you probably already know this, but perks are passive power-ups that stay active no matter which stand you're using. You get 4 slots, and then of course they can carry over across builds. But starting off with the top PvP perks, by far the best one is Accelerated Instinct from Made in Heaven. It doubles your dodge frames, making you instantly super hard to hit. Rapid Flow is also pretty good because it boosts sprint speed so you can close gaps instantly. And Inevitability increases penetration with every speed boost, letting you shred through defenses. For stack damage perks, Fist of Fury is pretty good from Star Platinum Ragdolls. Hidden Impact is also pretty good, and this is from King Crimson, and it adds 15% bonus damage after every single dodge. Emperor of Time is from the Dio raids, and it extends time to stop and slow effects by 2 seconds, giving you a free combo window. But for beginners and grinders, I would recommend getting Journeyman from the tutorial because it's going to give you 5% bonus XP everywhere. Hustle Bones is also pretty good. It's from the money store and it's going to boost all cash gains by 5%. And Serial Killer is also pretty decent because it's from the Cure raid and it deals 20% extra damage to enemies under 40% health, which melts bonuses pretty quick. Just equip perks from your loadout menu just by opening this up, and then from here go to your loadout and you can equip really any perk here. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.